everyone. We are doing ball and pail, draw, and color. So what we're going to do is make this. We're going to try to make it a little bit bigger down here. My beach ball word got cut off. I don't know why. So I'm going to do some tracing there with it later. So the first thing we want to do is make a circle. So we make a half circle and then we finish it off. Is that over here? So first thing, most of our kids know how to make a circle. At preschool, we always teach them to go around and close, starting at the top, going down and around and all the way. So the next thing we're doing is the little top of the beach ball. So we're gonna just make a little half circle up here at the top. Now these curved lines are really not that important that they be curved. So if our preschoolers are not making it perfectly curved, that's fine. If they make a straight up and down one, that's okay. That's this one, that's number 4 here. So number 3 was the half circle, and number 4 is that. Number 5 is this, and number 6 is one more. There's my beach ball. So if I was doing this in person, I would have a beach ball and have them copy the colors. Most of the colors, I believe, are primary. So I'm doing what I remember. I don't have a beach ball here, but I would color maybe this part yellow, trying to stay within the lines. And then one piece would definitely be white. So I would leave that white. Then I might do a red portion. Looks like I might need a new red marker soon. And then I might do a blue portion. I'm going to skip this, let that be white, and I'm going to do blue over here. If your child wants to do more colors, they are more than welcome. Beach balls can be any color, but you want to try to stay within those lines, because if we go outside those lines, it may not look like a beach ball anymore. Now, if yours printed out better than mine, you can trace inside of the beach ball words with a small, like a thin marker. So you would be going like this. I'll be able to show you that on the next one. But it got cut off, so I'm going to just write it over here. B, right here it is too. So if they're copying it from the top, you can see the word beach ball up here. E, A, C, H, B, A, L, L. All right, so that's our beach ball. Let's do the next one. This is a little bucket, a bucket or pail. You might call it either one. I think I'm going to do it in blue, since I have my blue out already. And what I'm going to do is start with a little square on the top, rectangle on the top. Now, then go like this. Then what I would do is try to do a thin one next to it, and then cross it. But say you had a thick marker and all they did was make this line for number 1. That is fine too. That's the same, right? So depending on the level that your child is coloring with, you may just want to use the thick marker, and that's it. Then they have 2 lines coming down. Now, if your child can't do that slight slant, that's fine. I'm actually going to do an up and down line here. So it doesn't look like as much like a pail, but it's okay. And then this bottom line should be a little curved, so that way it kind of does look like a pail. All right, again, the next part, it says to do this top. So you do a half circle and then another half circle. But if you didn't want to do that, again, you can use just a thick marker and go all the way around. All right, so that finishes number 4. We go on to number 5, and we have the sand. because the sand is a different color, I am going to get my different color sand and make my sand lumps like this. I think that will be easier for them to remember how to do it. Then we've got our face. I'm going to do my face in black. So I'm going to do, I think that was gray, but it's okay. I'm going to do eye, smile, cheek, cheek. And if you wanted to color it in, you could color in your brown. And you could color in your cheeks pink. Or you could even make your smile pink. If you want to color in your whole bucket, it might hide your face. So that's okay. If you don't want to, we can leave it like this. Now let's trace inside a bucket. You can see what I mean about tracing. You do line, curve. Our bucket is a U, and then C, K, E, and T. Woohoo! There's our bucket. If you wanted to draw any more, you can maybe draw the sand if you would like, but you don't have to. All done with bucket. I hope you have fun with drawing your beach ball and your bucket. Thank you.